Somebody mention birds? Hi there birdies, and welcome back to the channel once again, and a little different tact on today's video. As you all know, I always like to say if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. But today we're going to start with the sound and see if you can guess which bird it is. This is a common garden bird. I'm sure you've probably heard it in your garden, but do you know what it is? So two different sounds there for the same bird. What do you think it is? Is it a common tailor bird, a common Iora, or is it a magpie robin? All of which are very common. Well, here it is. Did you guess it right? Yep, this is the common Iora, a very common garden bird that's found all over Thailand. And what a little beauty. I filmed these ones in a mango tree in my garden after a little rain shower, and they were all fluffed up and preening their feathers. So don't forget birdies, next time you're out in your garden or out in the park, listen out for this one. You might just see it. The common Iora is a small passerine bird found pretty much across all of Thailand. As I said, this is a very common bird. It's found in scrubland, forests, gardens, parks, pretty much everywhere, and usually quite easily detected from its sound and also the bright colours. Now apparently during the breeding season, mainly after the monsoons, the male performs an acrobatic courtship display by darting up into the air, fluffing up his feathers, especially those on the green rump, then spiralling down to the original perch. Once he lands, he spreads his tail and droops his wings. Sounds like quite a spectacular display. Has anyone ever seen this? Because I haven't. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever experienced this with Ioras. Seems quite odd behaviour to me. The males and females are sexually dimorphic, meaning the males and females are different. The males in the breeding season having a black cap and more black on the back. The nest is usually a small and compact cup shape, made out of grass and bound with cobwebs. Both the male and female incubate the eggs, and the eggs hatch after about 14 days. Anyway, Christmas is just about on us now. And for those of you who missed out on buying one of the mugs, well, never mind. You can still buy one. They're still available, but I'm not sure for how much longer. So grab one while you can. They're certainly top quality products. Anyway, that's it for now. Another little video, this time the Common Iora. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget all the usual, and smash that like button, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever. You know what to do. You do what you like. Right, that's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.